to the channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of just updated my drone. So I've gone for the DJI Neo 2. We will see what's inside this one. Stick around. Alright, we will open it up and see what we've got. Alright, so this looks like the battery charger, or the battery tray. So I got the Fly More kit, so it comes with 3 batteries and there is one in the drone itself. So that is the drone itself. First thing I notice compared to my other drone, the Mini Pro 4, is just the size. Definitely a lot lighter and a lot smaller. It's got the propeller guards as well, and it's also got one battery in there. Look, it's got the buttons on the side that you can use. What else have we got? We've got all, looks like we've got a screwdriver, some sort of instructions. We've got one spare propeller, 2 spare propellers, and right down the bottom, there we go, the obligatory charge cable. So it's a USB-C. USB-C, USB-C charge cable. We'll put that one up here. And that's all that's in the box. So bring it back this way a bit. There we go. So like I said, yeah, a lot smaller than my current drone. How do we get the cover off? Have to work that one out. Oh, there we go. That one's off. The normal turn on, and hopefully you'll be able to see on the front of it, it has 2 LCD LED screens on the front of it. So like I said, I've just got it, so I need to set it up. So what I will do, this one's got obstacle avoidance around it. Yeah, I think for what I do, I think it should be good. Alright, let's go ahead and set it up. So one of the reasons I got the new drone was the ease of the takeoff and landing. So how quick it actually gets up and starts taking the shot. With the Mini Pro 4, it was a bit of a process to get it out, get it launched, and get it flying to take the shot. So what I'll do now, we'll go outside, I'll go for a ride, and what we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the 2 drones launching and getting the shot. And you can see what I mean by the new one, how quick it actually gets up, gets the shot, and I can get it back down. All right. So you can see in this shot with the Neo 2 on the left, I actually forgot I had it set for the front left. So as I take off here, I'm looking for it. Yep, I can see it, then it automatically starts going around to the front left. I'm looking over to the right where it was, looking in a mirror going, where the hell is it? What's it doing? Goes around the trees, good. And I'm still looking to the right, and I just stop and go, oh, there you are. Oh, that's right, you're front left. So, yeah, it was all good. And then from there, it just tracks me front left as per normal.
What are you doing, Pete?
Nothing. Okay, so you just saw the side-by-side comparison of the Neo 2 and the Mini 4 Pro, and there is a big difference. Like I said, the time for the Neo 2 was about 1:50 from launching it to actually getting the shot, and then actually getting it back into the bar bag. Whereas the Mini 4 probably took about 5 minutes, so I didn't actually show, I showed it landing or just before landing, but I didn't show packing it up, getting it back into the bag and taking off. So about 5 minutes there. So good thing about the Neo 2 also, a couple of good things is it's got auto recording, so as soon as it takes off and gets up there, it starts recording automatically, whereas the Mini 4, again, you've got to press that record button. Price wise, I picked the Neo 2 up for about $530 as the Fly More package. And when I bought the Mini 4 Pro, again, Fly More, I got the Fly More Plus package, which is about $1,700 for that one. So again, a big difference there. Again, the ease of tracking with the Neo 2, again, you set it up, you put it on cycling follow, and it just does it. It automatically locks onto you. Whereas the Mini 4 Pro, you've got to get it up there and lock it onto you, and then change it from person to vehicle. So there is a little bit of mucking around to get it to track you. The Neo 2 is far easier for that one. So look, the Mini 4 Pro as a drone as a whole is a better drone. It's got more battery life. The Neo 2 is probably about 12 minutes, whereas the Mini 4 Pro, for me, probably a half hour, 35 minutes. The Mini 4, again, got a longer range than the Neo 2. So again, I'm going to probably keep both of them for a while, see how it goes. But for me, for recording those tracking shots, the Neo 2 is far easier and a better drone for what I do. Again, both 4K, so yeah, there's not much difference there. All right, look, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's my take on a Neo 2 and the Mini 4 Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. So ride safe. Happy Australia Day. Cheers.